Hello everybody, this is Curry Mac, and today I'm going to show you how to make molten lava cake. This is a pretty easy recipe, but you will need a few things to get started. I'm going to show you the things that you'll need. You'll need a fluted non-stick brioche pan, about 3.5 inches, a large ice cream scoop, some hot fudge topping, some vanilla ice cream, and some instant chocolate hard shell. Before we begin, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First we're going to melt the butter, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter. And we'll microwave it until it's melted. After that, you're going to pour it inside a larger bowl. And then you're going to pour 2.5 cups of granulated sugar. Two teaspoons of vanilla. And then we're going to stir it up until it's well blended. And next we're going to add 4 eggs, whipping it 1 egg at a time. And next we're going to add 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. And then we're going to stir that up until it's well blended. This is how it should look like after you stirred it. And next we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And of course we're going to stir that up until it's nice and blended. Next we're going to take 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next we're going to take some melted butter and put it in between the grooves of the brioche pan, making sure that the cake won't stick together. And then we're going to pour that inside the brioche pan. After this, put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. After your cake is cooled, take a bowl and then take a knife and then slit it in between the grooves of the cake pan, freeing the cake. And then flip upside down on top of the bowl, and this is how it should look like. And next, microwave some hot fudge, and using the back of a spoon, spread it on top of the cake. And then use a brush and then brush it in between the grooves. Take some chocolate shell and put a little bit on top of the cake, and then take some ice cream, put it on top of that, and put some more chocolate shell on top of the ice cream, and using the brush the chocolate shell all around the ice cream, covering it. And this is how it will look like after you're done with it. This was a very delicious recipe. If it did it right, it should be a warm, gooey, chocolatey center inside the cake. You definitely won't be disappointed with this recipe. So go ahead and give it a try, and I'll see you next time.